Today on Marine Engineering 101, we will replace the filters of our air dryer unit for the air-conditioned system onboard. This is part of the system maintenance videos that we carried out on the air-conditioned compressor unit. Check out our previous posts for more reference on air-conditioned system maintenance. As previously discussed on maintenance keypoints, it is important to isolate the section from the entire system prior conducting any maintenance job. For this job, we close the inlet and outlet valves of the air dryer before commencement of maintenance task. Replacement filters are usually available onboard. Aside from required running hours for filter change, a deflection from normal moisture level on the sight glass signals a change of filter as well. The sight glass indicates dry and wet level. Once the indication reaches yellow from dry red, a change on solid core filter is needed. The dryer unit is composed of filter mesh, solid core filters and gaskets in between. Renewal of solid core is carried out as per running hours or as needed due to operational trouble. It is important to keep an eye on depressurization of the unit to avoid safety hazards. Once the cover was removed, pull out the filter unit and dismantle for replacement. Key points on the task includes making sure that spare parts are of the same type, genuine and supplied by the maker. Properly clean the surface of non-renewable parts, either by clean cloth or air pressure. Check correct assembly and inspect parts for worn portions. Reassembly task was easier since the spares were already available. The solid core are stored on seal-tight containers to avoid collecting dusts by exposure. Once the canister was opened, immediately assemble to maximize filter capacity. Upon assembly, properly tighten cover and carry out another vacuum operation of the chamber before slowly opening the inlet and outlet valves of the chamber. The vacuum operation will remove the moist and impurities at initial flow. Once the chamber is on vacuum condition, slowly open the valves to merge the unit into the system. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share this content on your social media platforms. This is Marine Engineering 101. Follow for more.